Hey, what's up guys? Jason from Advanblack. Right now we're going to go ahead and install our license plate light housing cover. So when installing the light housing cover on the license plate, you're going to need three tools. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver, you're going to need a 27 Torx, and you're going to need a 20 Torx. So first thing you want to do is you want to go in here and remove these two bolts underneath the light, and that is a 27 Torx. Now reach in the back and pull off the housing that covers the connector so that you can just pull this off. And now it will be connected by a wire, so that's where the flat tip comes in. You just gotta, and I'll show you here in a second, there's a little spot where you use the flat tip, pry the housing off. So when you guys are looking at the housing, you have this clip here. You need to get this screwdriver in there, just press down on it, and it will come off from the plate in the back. You go ahead and disconnect the wire. So guys, here's the housing that's underneath the rear fender, and the reason why you need a flat tip is you need to get a flat tip right in here, push it in and push it back, and it will lift up, and this is where your connecting housing is going to be at, mounted underneath your fender. Alright, once you get your license plate mount detached from the fender, you're going to have two screws right here. This is a 20 Torx. Just go ahead and undo that. You're going to reuse the existing hardware. Pull the light through. I didn't mention this before, but you're going to also use a small screwdriver to get these two Phillips screws off. And you're going to replace the light on the new carbon fiber housing. Alright, once you get these two Phillips screws out of here, you're just going to slide this out, like so. I'm going to reinstall it on the carbon fiber housing. It's a very tight fit. Alright, now you just reverse the sequence that you just took everything off in. Alright guys, this is carbon fiber, so you're not going to put everything you got into it. Just snug it up nice and tight. You're going to watch it actually sink itself into the mounting plate. Alright, make sure your gasket's back on there before reapplying. Make sure it's on there correctly so you don't get no water in there. You're going to want to have your wire connecting housing open, and you got these little teeth right here. They're going to go through that square area right here on the rear fender. You're going to, from the bottom side. Your holes are going to line up with these brass fittings right here. Run your wires through. Just to get it lined up. Don't forget to reconnect the wire in the back. All right, there you guys have it, a clean install. That carbon fiber light housing matches perfect with the rear fender and our rear light housing. You can also tell by checking it out. We have some other carbon fiber parts on our website. Check it out.